Sorry. In this chapter, we are today dealing with the nomenclature of alcohols, phenols, and ethers. First of all, nomenclature of alcohols. The There are two systems in nomenclature. One is common system and IUPAC system. In common system, alcohols are derived from their common name of an alkyl group and adding the word alcohol. Example, methyl alcohol. There are two words are there. One is methyl group. The word methyl retains as it is and adding the word OH for that alcohol. The name of this compound is methyl alcohol. Next, the name of this group is ethyl and alcohol, therefore it is ethyl alcohol. Then in an IUPAC system, the alcohol naming as retain the original name of the alkane as such, and the last letter E is replaced by the suffix -al. And in polyhydric alcohols, okay, the last letter E retain the same and adding the word -al. Before adding the word -al, you have to add the word di, tri, tetra, etc. like that in polyhydric case. Let us deal with some examples of common names and IUPAC names of alcohols. First of all, CH3OH. Okay, it is CH3 group is methyl and adding the word alcohol, therefore its name is methyl alcohol in common system. In IUPAC system, okay, how many carbon atoms are present here? One carbon atom, therefore the word methane, last letter of the E of methane is replaced by the word -al, therefore together reading as methanol. Next one example, you have to consider here, okay, 1, 2, 3 carbon atom, therefore it is propyl alcohol, but it is belongs to N-propyl alcohol. Next, in IUPAC system, okay, 3 carbon atoms are there, means propane, last letter E is replaced by the -al. Before that you have to add the position, it is attached to the first carbon, therefore it is propane 1-al. Next, here also one example, 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms are present, okay, and its common system name is isopropyl alcohol because OH group is attached to second carbon atom, therefore it is isopropyl alcohol. But in IUPAC system, 3 carbon atoms are there, means propane, last letter E is replaced by -al. Before that adding the position, the OH group is attached here is a second carbon, therefore it is propane 2-al. Next, okay, in this example 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are present here, therefore it is N-butyl alcohol and common system name. In IUPAC system, butane, last letter E is replaced by -al and the position is 1 because OH group is attached here is the first carbon. In next example, the same 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are there, but it is belongs to secondary butyl alcohol. Why secondary? Because the OH group attached to this carbon atom, this carbon is bonded to 2 other carbon atoms, therefore it is a secondary, therefore it is a secondary butyl alcohol. But in IUPAC system, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms, butane, last letter E is replaced by -al, but the OH group is present at second position, therefore it is butane 2-al. Next one, in this example, the common system name is isobutyl alcohol. Why isobutyl? 1, 2, 3 carbon are present in a straight chain, one more carbon is present at a branched chain. The branching taken place at a second carbon, therefore it is isobutyl alcohol. And in IUPAC system, this is the parent chain and this is considered as a substituent group. Therefore in the parent chain 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms are there, therefore it is a propane, 1-al, but this is present at the second position, therefore it is 2-methyl, therefore its name is 2-methyl propane 1-al. Some more examples of alcohols. Consider this in that the OH group attached to this carbon atom, this carbon is bonded with three other carbon atoms, therefore this carbon atom is a tertiary, therefore it is a tertiary alcohol. But how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, therefore the name of this compound is a tertiary butyl alcohol. In IUPAC system, this is as a parent chain. In parent chain 3 carbon atoms are there, therefore it is propane, last letter E is replaced by all, propanol, but the OH group is present at second position, therefore propane 2 all. But this carbon atom is considered as a substituent group, therefore the name of this is methyl, present at second position, therefore it is a 2-methyl propane 2 all. In another example, okay, CH2OH is bonded with CH2 is bonded with OH, CHOH, CH2OH. It belongs to polyhydric alcohols. In common system name, its name is glycerol. But in IUPAC system, there are 3 carbon atoms, propane all it is, but okay, 1, 2, 3 OH groups are present there. Therefore, it is a triol, but present at first, second, third position. Therefore, its name is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. IUPC and common names of some phenols. The first compound name itself is a phenol, and in second compound name, okay, common system name is orthocresol, and IUPAC system 2-methyl phenol. The methyl group here present at second position. In the next example, metacresol, the methyl group is present at third position. Next is paracresol, the methyl group is present at fourth position, therefore it is 4-methyl phenol. Okay, then now it is belongs to polyhydric, 2 OH groups are present, common system name is catechol. Okay, in IUPAC system benzene 1, 2 diol, di we have added before all. Next, it is also dihydric, but its common system name is a resorcinol. In IUPAC system, its name is benzene 1,3 diol. In another example, it is also dihydric. Its common system name is hydroquinone or quinol, but in common IUPAC system, benzene 1,4 diol. Some examples of ethers. I am taking this one example, CH3O, CH3. Here, common system name, 1 methyl group, 2 methyl group are there. Methyl ether you have to add, but 2 means dimethyl ether, like that you have to name. But in IUPAC system, any one you should consider as a parent chain. Okay, this one as a parent chain, then it is methane, parent chain is methane. And another one, CH3O is, you have to add as a methoxy, therefore its name is a methoxymethane. In second example, this one we have to keep it as a, okay, parent chain, therefore it is ethane. Okay, then this is ethoxy, therefore it is ethoxy ethane in IUPAC system. In common system, diethyl ether. Now we have to consider, okay, this is methyl group, this is propyl group, M coming first in an alphabetic order, then P coming, therefore methyl N propyl ether. Why N? It is a straight chain, therefore it is an N. In IUPAC system, okay, the longest chain is considered as a parent chain, this is the longest chain, propane it is, and this is considered as a methoxy, therefore 1 methoxy propane. Next example, okay, in common system name, this group is phenyl, this group is a methyl. Okay, methyl phenyl ether, its commercial name is anisole. And in IUPAC system, okay, this is the whole compound, the whole ring itself is considered as a benzene, therefore it is methoxybenzene, methoxybenzene. Its commercial name is also anisole, but some commercial names also considered as IUPAC system, therefore we can consider as anisole. Thank you.